Hi guys, welcome back to our English classes. I'm your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin, and today is Wednesday, February 24th, 2021. It's the last week of February, and today's topic is going to a restaurant. As you know, we practice our food, but now we're going to practice how to order food in a restaurant. So to do this, we're going to watch a little video.
Hi, may I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a pizza and spaghetti.
Anything else?
A green salad, please.
A pizza, spaghetti, and a green salad, right?
Yes, that's right. Oh, it's too hot. Do you want some water? Yes, please. Let's role play.
Okay guys, in this part, I want you to practice telling the dialogues with me. Okay, let's do it. Hi, may I take your order? Yes, I'd like a pizza and spaghetti. Anything else? A green salad, please. A pizza, spaghetti, and green salad, right? Yes, that's right. Oh, it's too hot. Do you want some water? Yes, please. And that was the video. So now let's see the dialogues. So a waiter is the person who takes your order and introduce herself like, "Hi, may I take your order?" Asking you, what do you want to eat? Hi, repeat with me. Hi, may I take your order? Very good. And you will answer something like this. Yes, I would like a pizza and spaghetti. Or something else. I would like hamburgers and potato chips. Anything that you would like to eat in that restaurant. Or maybe you're in McDonald's and you go to the cashier and can I take your order? And you say, yes, I would like a Big Mac and a McFlurry. I don't know. So that's what we used to ask for food. The waiter might ask anything else to ask you if there's something else that you would like to eat. Maybe you will ask something else and the thing and say please. Don't forget to say please. Please, it's courtesy. These are models. So maybe you say a green salad, please, like the kid in the video. Or if you don't want something else, you say no, thank you. That's all. This part is the waiter to confirm your order. So he might ask you he might say to you the things that you order in order. For example, hamburger, pizza, and green salad, right? To check if the order is correct. And if it's correct, you answer yes, that's right. But maybe it's not correct. No. And the thing that he got wrong. For example, you may order French fries and he said salad, and you say no, I asked the French fries, please. This is a question that maybe the waiter asks to you, do you want some water, or do you want something to drink? Do you want some soda, some horchata, jamaica, any drink? This is a question for the waiter. You can say yes please, no thank you, or yes an horchata, yes a soda. It's important to say please and thank you. Don't forget to use please and thank you. Those words are courtesy and make you see good. And that's all for today. So tomorrow we're going to practice by doing a role play. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Goodbye.